Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn a fishnet into a DIY bubble wand. As you can see, it works very well. You will need a fishnet and some cotton twine. You could also use a wire clothes hanger to twist it into shape, but a fishnet is already in the shape that you need. You can get these fishnets really cheaply from any pet or aquarium store. They are twisted wire, which is encased in this plastic material, which make it a little more comfortable to hold. First, you will need to cut away the net. You don't have to completely remove the net. I cut off most of it, but I leave like a single layer, as this would also help soak up some of the bubble solution. You can leave the shape as a square or twist it into a more circular shape if you like. Take the cotton twine and wrap it around the wand like this. Tie it off. Bend the handle into shape, and that's it. If you found this video useful, do check out the other bubble related videos on the channel, and thank you for watching.